Equipment deals, 2006 model W900 with the C11 cat and the automatic. Got the two drop axles and the strong arm. Go ahead and pull this hood open and make sure there's no blow by. Good running motor, no blow by. Got the 11-yard tub on this truck, and it's ready to rock, guys. Strong arm in the back, two drop axles, runs good, transmission's got good pressure on it, strong arm works, everything works as it's supposed to. It's a nice little truck here, ready to go to work, guys. Located here in Dallas, Texas. If you're interested, give us a call, 972-666-9501, 11855 EQ Deals. Looks like they're all running 22.5s on this truck. Got 22.5s on the strong arm, 22.5s on the drivers, and whatever they're running in the front end. Got the big two steering boxes on the front of this truck also. So it's a heavy equipped truck here, boys. On an 06 model W900 with 11-yard mixer, two drops and a strong arm. Can't get better than that, boys. Give us a call if you're interested.